Salutations, Eric and Dom are moving this tree to be repotted and treated. This laurel oak tree is a semi-deciduous and semi-evergreen tree. Eric collected this tree about 15 years ago in a lot that was being redeveloped. It was collected as a solid stump. However, within the time frame, it has been deteriorating in the middle, so now if you were to come to see it at the nursery, it will be hollow. Eric Weigert will be repotting, and myself, Bree, will be treating the tree. Here I am doing a partial defoliation on the tree. Eric Weigert is removing all the softwood so that we can treat it with wood hardener. This is what Eric removed. I'm using a double stiff wire brush to brush off any stragglers. This is the end result after brushing away any leftover softwood that was inside the trunk. Now that the wood is exposed, we'll be applying wood hardener to it. This product is called Tree Gum and can be found at kaizenbonsai.com. It is in the UK, but they ship worldwide. Here it is fully defoliated. 2 coats of the wood hardener applied. And you can see a slight glossy look to the wood as well, which is non-permanent. This tool that Eric Weigert is using is called a concave cutter. It is used to prune any thicker branches. Some inner branches were not able to survive due to the dense foliage, so pruning is needed. After he is done removing all the branches he doesn't want, he is then going to be shaping this tree. Here you can see Eric Weigert really visualizing and analyzing the shape of what he wants the tree to be in or look like. You know, sitting up and down, changing angle, you can see there, he's really visualizing. There's Junior, and he will be helping repot the laurel oak. The tool that was handed to Junior is called a sickle, and what that does is it helps loosen the tree from the wall of the pot interior wise, and this way you're able to pull the tree out of the pot and repot it. There he goes, he's pulling it, and boom, easy slide. And voila, the tree is out. Let's see those beautiful roots. And now it's time to use a root hook to loosen the old soil and do a root prune. Got our hill of soil ready, and now we can shimmy the tree in the pot. Don't blink though, because you might miss it. You can see the tree is lowering into the pot, and Eric is positioning it to where he wants it. And now he's adding soil. Eric using a chopstick to push soil into pockets. The pot is almost full, so now it's fertilizer time. We'll top it off with more soil, and we are using our coarse soil mix. This tree does not like to be too wet, so this is a well-draining soil, so it is perfect to use for this laurel oak. Repotting season for the Laurel Oak is in February or March, right before the flush of springtime foliage comes through. Here's Angela at the turntable giving us a 360 view. A bit of a close-up so y'all can see the interior. Still kind of has that glossy effect from the wood hardener, but here it is. Another beautiful, beautiful tree. Here you can see the piece that we removed. Nicholas is helping Eric place the tree in our shade house where it's going to be for 2 weeks as it heals. Come check it out.